central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilkes-Barre, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour until midnight. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Tamaqua, Schuylkill Haven, Shenandoah, Mahanoy City, Frackville, St. Clair, Wilkes-Barre, McAdoo, Port Cobden, Jarrettville, Hometown, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, Oneida, Grier City, Park Crest, Marlin, Altamont, Reningers, and Englewood. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 121 to 139. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued